dim and long. The map I hold feels all but wrong. I stumble forward, trying to see, but where's the path meant just for me? I hear a whisper, soft and clear, a voice that says, let